Hey guys, Hiking Paul here, and today we are doing a hike along Kallang Park Connector from Bishan to Kallang Riverside Park. So let's hiking go. So we are starting from Bishan MRT and moving towards Kallang Park Connector, which is quite close by. So the Kallang Park Connector is basically a 8-kilometer stretch that runs along Kallang River, starting from Bishan Park and ending at Kallang Riverside Park. So yeah, a really straightforward and easy hike that is all pavements and relatively flat terrain. It's also very easy to navigate since there are signs along the way to guide you along. So you basically can just relax as you hike along Kallang River. So Kallang River is the longest river in Singapore, and previously we did a hike that covers a similar route, but along the way we turned towards Wangpo River instead of continuing down Kallang River. So this time we are doing the whole stretch along the river, and there have been some upgrading works that have been completed along this park connector. So as you will be able to see later on, instead of having to do detours and crossing overhead bridges, you now can just go under the roads through underpasses, which makes for a much easier route. And as you can see here, if you are a fan of monitor lizards, this hike is for you as well, since you will be able to spot a lot of them along the way. And yeah, this is one of the underpasses that I was talking about, and there is some nice artwork for you to enjoy as well. So I just want to apologize in advance for those who are following me on Strava, since on Strava the route is 13 kilometers when actually it should be around 10 kilometers. So I think the app kind of bugged out, so sorry about that. So here you need to take note, since as you can see by this notice, you need to take a detour since part of the park connector is still under construction. On a side note, as requested by one of the viewers, I have created a database documenting my hikes, and you can download my routes as GPX files. So the link is in the description below, so please check it out, and as always, I thank you for your continuing support on my channel. So with a view of Singapore Flyer in the distance, we have arrived at Kallang Riverside Park, and from here we are just making our way to our final destination, which is Lavender MRT. So yeah, a very straightforward hike that I would recommend if you are looking for an urban walk alongside a river and you don't want to do a lot of navigation. So that's it for this hike, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and yeah, have a nice day.